Thank you for joining us. State health officials confirmed today a second case of COVID-19 in Minnesota. And here's what we know now. The patient is in their 50s and lives in Carver County. The Minnesota Department of Health believes they were exposed to the virus while traveling in Europe last month. The patient went to the hospital yesterday for treatment. They are now recovering alone at home. The health department is trying to figure out who the patient had contact with while they've been sick. The first case in Minnesota was reported Friday. That person lives in Ramsey County, and they too are resting at home. They caught the virus on a cruise ship called the Grand Princess. That same ship, with new passengers, is now quarantined at sea. Held in limbo off the California coast for days, the Grand Princess is expected to dock in the port of Oakland on Monday. 19 crew members and 2 passengers have tested positive for COVID-19. Officials say the more than 3,500 people on board will be moved to military medical facilities around the nation for testing.
Folks who test positive will be kept isolated so that they cannot expose other people. We don't want to put communities at risk.
As the virus spreads globally, Italy's prime minister also announced the lockdown of millions of people in the northern part of the country. The news sent people scurrying to leave the region. Dr. Anthony Fauci, a leading member of President Trump's COVID-19 task force, was asked if similar measures could be issued as the virus spreads in the U.S.
I don't think it would be as draconian as nobody in and nobody out, but there'll be, if we continue to get cases like this, particularly at the community level, there will be what we call mitigation, where you'll have to do essentially social distancing, keep people out of crowded places, take a look at seriousness. Do you really need to travel?
Campaigning in Mississippi, Joe Biden talked about holding public events as he applied hand sanitizer before a meal.
We're listening to the experts at the CDC and taking advice from them.
In Washington, D.C., the city's first confirmed case is the head of a prominent church in Georgetown. The Vatican announced it's shutting down museums until early April, and the Pope stayed away from the window overlooking St. Peter's Square and live-streamed Sunday's prayers. Today, the U.S. State Department issued an advisory to Americans, especially those with underlying health conditions, warning against traveling by cruise ship during the outbreak. But for many, this warning comes too late. Our Marielle Mohs has been speaking with a Minnesota couple quarantined on the Grand Princess. Al, how are they doing now?
Well, Jeff, they're hanging in there. Today is day 4 that they've been quarantined on the Grand Princess cruise line for them and thousands of passengers. But they did get some good news today. They got specific plans about when they're going to get off that ship. Unfortunately, though, they won't be able to come back to Minnesota right away.
It's so limited. There's only so many things you can do and see from your room.
It's been several days at sea for Forest Lake residents Randy Elkin and Kathleen Duchesne, quarantined in their room.
They've started distributing games and puzzles and
toys, arts and crafts projects.
Please know that your health and safety are our absolute top priority.
On Sunday, this Minnesota couple, along with 3,500 other people on board, finally learned that this ship will dock in Oakland, California on Monday. However, they still have a long ways to go until they're back in Minnesota.
They haven't said that anyone's going to just go home.
With step-by-step instructions.
The captain told them the process of leaving the ship will take 2 to 3 days, and then they will be flown to a military base in either Georgia or Texas to be tested for the virus. Then, regardless of the results, they will be quarantined for 14 days. Randy and Kathleen are fortunately not showing any symptoms of COVID-19, but they are worried about how much time they're spending away from home.
Life goes on in Minnesota. I mean, I had medical appointments. I've tried to cancel those. I have a concern about the mortgage and the electric and the, you know what I'm saying? That stuff keeps going on.
For Randy and Kathleen, this cruise was supposed to be a trip to celebrate 20 years together, but they're looking at this optimistically. At least they're together.
Well, we're staying positive. To a certain extent, it's an adventure.
And the first group of people to get off the Grand Princess tomorrow will be the passengers and crew members who are showing symptoms of COVID-19. And Jeff, I think it's interesting how this virus is kind of impacting us in little ways every day. I mean, today I even got a text from my dentist for an appointment that I have tomorrow that if I am seeing flu-like symptoms, they want me to cancel that appointment because of COVID-19.
And that makes sense with them interacting with people near their mouths and
Yep,
how it's
directly.
transmitted. Okay,
Exactly.
Thank you, Marielle. And we want to remind you tonight of the symptoms of COVID-19. They include fever, coughing, and shortness of breath. Basically, how you would feel if you're sick with a cold or the flu. If you think you're sick, call your doctor before you go to the hospital in person. If you have questions about COVID-19, the Minnesota Department of Health has a hotline. That number is right there at the bottom of your screen. The hotline is open tomorrow morning from 9 to 4:30. More to come tonight on COVID-19, including a breakdown of which cleaners will best protect your home.